In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Pit Boss front shelf with brackets. This applies to all sizes of the shelf, as the installation is identical. First, you must remove the pre-installed screws from the compatible Pit Boss model. These are located directly on the barrel just above the legs. Next, mount the two brackets using the screws you just removed. Each bracket is designed to line up with one set of screw holes. Now you can place the front shelf onto the brackets, ensuring the notches are lined up to slot nicely into place. Finally, use the two step screws provided with the front shelf to secure the shelf onto the brackets. Once secure, fold down your front shelf by lifting up and then folding down. To raise the front shelf, lift up and let it slot into place. Your front shelf is now ready to use for your next backyard cookout.